I am repairing the tubes, receiver, FM, and amplifier. At first, this unit cannot be turned on. This problem is the power switch over here. It was inside of this cover, so I need to desolder and move out and find out the switch inside is bad. I could not find the replacement, but I have kind of like working around the main power amplifier over here. The two output transformer and the speaker connects over here, and the power supply over here. Here's the problem with the switch. So the AC input here going to one switch go to the transformer, and one switch go to supply power for the external AC. Seeing that this switch is bad, no power supply for the whole system, and I work around, so I jump a wire from here to here. I share the switch here for both external power supply and also for the main power supply. That's the first thing I work on. And then the second thing is the power supply circuit over here. When I got the switch turned on and I touch the capacitor bank over here, that's a very big, that's a cylinder capacitor, and it touched on that and it's warm up very quickly. That's because the capacitor leak, and then there's some current get through the capacitor and make the capacitors warm up. Here the capacitor underneath over here, that 4 capacitor, cut all the pin capacitor and replace with all the capacitor here. I replace 1, 2, 3, 4, and I also put another one over here on the power supply line. I also found out this resistor also was bad. It's completely disconnected. This is 1.2 kilo ohm, and luckily I found one in my stock to replace. This is the 1.2 kilo ohm over here. I replaced this one and replace all this capacitor and put some capacitor over here. Before I replace the capacitor, I hear the humming sound very loud, and also I cannot get any radio station. After replace and put the new capacitor in there, and I remove all the humming noise in the amplifier, and also I got the FM works too. The unit up and run, and it produced the sound super good. So it is almost done. So now I put it back at the original one. Like this. For big tubes to output audio transformer, that's the preamp tubes here, and the power supply here. Yeah, this is the capacitor I mentioned earlier. This, when we turn on, this one warm up very quickly. The fissure there. That's the I think the part number of the tubes. Okay, and let's see in the back the FM antenna, the fuses, the 2 external AC plug here, and that's the input. So you have the speaker for speaker 1, channel A, channel B, and the speaker 2, channel A, channel B. And for this one, let's allow user to select the speaker impedance. So if the Y over here connect to 8, so that means you select the speaker over here is 8 ohms. And if this one go here, the speaker is 4 ohms, and this one 16 ohm. You remove the blue wire to over here. And same for this one. This one for select for the this speaker. Yeah, the top row for this speaker, bottom row for this speaker.